I actually believe that outside of like hardcore finance use cases, we're going to see Chrome OS actually get to the point where more people are using it. And I think it's sort of like a hidden gem that most people don't actually pay attention to.
It's infecting schools because in a school, you log in with your Google account, whether it's Google Docs or Gmail, and your entire desktop just shows up. All your bookmarks, everything, your cloud, everything is just there. Then you log out if you're logged in as a guest, and it's gone.
Yep.
So the idea that you have a computer with a desktop and you left something on your desktop and you have to go home to get it, or you got a remote into your desktop goes away as a concept, which is incredible. Or if you have one computer there, so we have one computer in the house that's shared, like in the domestic office, and everybody uses it. So you go to log in and it's got everybody's little icon on the bottom. You log in, boom, and you're up and running.
Well, the other thing I think people ignore about Chrome OS and Chromebook is that they've gone through this like very complex provisioning processes for school, right? If you think about it, kids lose laptops, like they get damaged, all this kind of crazy stuff happens to it.
Yeah.
If you can handle that scenario, you can handle the enterprise scenario. And also,
for sure,
Chrome OS is way more secure than a lot of other systems.
Right.
Because it's all sandboxed in the browser. And so I actually think could be an incredible enterprise play there in the future. And so I keep watching for Google to do that. I mean, they haven't done it yet, but I think
how does
really
Figma work in Chrome? Just perfectly, flawlessly?
Yeah.
And that's one of the things that people say why they don't go to Chrome, where they don't give up their ridiculously priced Mac computers, is because they're tied to the Adobe suite.
Yep.
Are you seeing people leaving the Adobe suite and moving to Figma?
Yeah, we're seeing people leave lots of different platforms, whether it's Adobe or their competing platform of choice to adopt a cheaper computer. We're seeing like our vision for Figma is to make design accessible to everybody, and so that's a really key component of it, is to make it so that regardless of where you're coming from, you can use Figma wherever you are.